Hey guys, welcome back to another video of True Friends Vlog. And in this video, I'm going to be pranking Apple with this remote control car. So let's start. Sniffing it. Get that, baby. No, Apple. Apple, no. He thinks it's a real life object because it's moving. Its hunting instinct is telling him. And here's the room, it's like a gun. Wait, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna bend the camera a little. Wait 1 second. So this is the thing I want to show you. He used to do this since I bought this thing. I need 50 views. No, 20 to 50 views for part 2. Bye guys. Bye.